Oh, hayo, kinayo. Share ko muna di tagtaginip ko. Speaking of that, loves,
Yeah.
he's biting you,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I dreamed you last night.
Yeah.
You're in the, just like container, loves, together with the snake.
Yeah.
Ano, listen up to me,
I'm listening.
It's hard for me to compose English in my mind, and then you're, lately I'm thinking my English is just like, a fluent, but when I speak it's just like, Mr. Bean in English. But Japan, listen and focus so that you understand my English. You're going to adjust. Okay. My dream. Look at me. You're playing with my bayaw. Nana. While I'm
Looking at you.
don't play.
You just said look at you. You didn't say nothing about playing with the cat.
Your hand. Okay na. Never mind my dream.
Alright, come on, baby.
I dream on you in the container together with the snake that you need to throw it.
Gee whiz, how did I get that honor?
Yeah, you're in the container with the snakes, and then I found out the snakes bite on your back, and then oh my God, loves, I'm very scared, super scared, and then you grab the snake, and then like that, and then I run to get my knife, and then because it's not letting go to your hand, so I chop the snake. And then now I said, now I will save you. I will make the suma. The suma, bendos in your back. I will create slice in your back, and then put a glass. What do you call that?
Oh, the suction cup?
Yeah, suction cup, yeah. We call that is soma, so that I will get the
Poison.
Yeah, poison of the snake.
The venom.
Yeah, so that you're not gonna dead. That's so scary, loves.
It is.
Is it possible that it kills you?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Sure.
So what is the
Venom
meaning of my
attacks the
dream? My dream, the
nervous
snakes
system. I don't know.
bite you.
I don't know.
Be careful, loves. The people are not.
Is there lots of snakes out there? Serpents. Yeah. Snake is a serpent.
People surround you. Oh my goodness.
The only guns I got is you, Kyla, and my mother. So which one is a snake?
I'm not a snake.
Is that what it is? All three of you biting my back. That's what it is. Backbiters. No? Backbiters.
We already let it go the other one. That's the one. Ano ti, kaya nang sa uwing kakabsati, nakatagtag inip ti uli nga ng kagat. Japan, kinkasanog suma. Suma cum laude, no? Nanay ko mong susuma. My nanay is mang susuma, and Irene also loves. They know how to suma. The caption. What do you call?
Caption?
The glass.
Oh,
suction. Sa suction.